All right, guys, we're gonna get some breakfast going. We got some ramps, fresh picked out of the woods here. We got some mushrooms. We got some Parmesan cheese and tomatoes. And we're gonna make some omelets.
So we know there's a question coming from about half the people watching this. What the heck is a ramp? Well, it looks to be a wild onion. That's all I know about it. So
It's kind of a cross flavor between an onion and a garlic, and then the leaves are also edible and good. We're gonna incorporate those in the omelet as well, and we're gonna get started here. First, we're gonna chop up our ramps. We're gonna chop us up some mushrooms. I get everything close to the same size.
looks like we got some nice heirloom tomatoes over here.
Our vegetables chopped.
How many eggs we want to go with there?
Let's start off with 4.
4 eggs. Going straight into our chopper.
We're gonna be making a few omelets here, but we're gonna demonstrate one, and then we're gonna make the rest for everybody eating.
Y'all, we are hanging out with some fellow outdoors enthusiasts that have been showing us around their area of Ohio. Just thank them so very much. They have given us a great time while we've been out here so far.
And they have a beautiful place.
Oh, yeah.
So we put a couple of ramp leaves and the 4 eggs, and we're gonna give those a chop. Then we're gonna season that up with some salt and pepper.
All right. Now, you know our motto, to taste, and our taste is always more black pepper. All right.
All right, now
where are we going from here, Crazy?
we gotta set up our pan over here. Always pull the top out of your olive oil before you try to pour it.
Pro tip there.
Just a little tablespoon of olive oil. That helps keep the butter from burning. Because butter by itself will burn.
Absolutely will.
That tablespoon of butter. Let that get hot and melted. Then we're going to start sauteing our ramps. Then we add the mushrooms and then tomatoes last. We're going to put our ramps in first, get them just like you would an onion. We're going to let these cook down until they get translucent and tender. All right, so now that our ramps are cooked down nice and tender and translucent, we're going to add our mushrooms. We're using baby portobellos. You can use any kind of mushroom you like. We wanted to use some wild mushrooms. There wasn't any available at this time.
Yeah, so don't give us grief over there, all you Morel fans. We tried.
Dogs going for a swim over there.
That's what I'm talking about. They just hopping in the pond. Yeah.
We're going to have to add just a little bit more butter to those mushrooms.
Y'all smelling something good over here?
And as soon as these mushrooms get cooked and tender, we'll add the tomatoes just for a couple of minutes. We'll take this out of the pan and start the omelet. All right, now our mushrooms are cooked down a bit. We're going to throw in some tomatoes.
Oh, yeah. It was looking beautiful.
A little bit of salt and pepper.
And we know we got ramp fans on this channel. Y'all tell us how you cook yours. Let us know. Let us know if there's any recipes, if we can get them again. It's almost out of season for them. But any recipes that you do or that you might like to see us do on the channel as well.
And we're not going to give that very long, just a little bit to get those tomatoes
Soften up, get
warm,
the juice.
warm and softened up. And we're going to set them to the side and start our omelet. Go in with some more butter. Very light amount of olive oil, that just keeps the butter from burning. We are using real butter, not margarine. Parmesan cheese.
Is that just your choice, or is that known to go better with ranch?
Well, that was I forgot to get cheese, and I got Parmesan for another dish, so that's just what we have.
That's perfect. That's perfect. A flavor combo that I was missing out on. I'm not that sophisticated.
Y'all know how we cook. We use what we have.
This isn't the ideal pan for omelets, but
We need to get.
when we're out camping and cooking on a campfire, the food's always good. It might not always look the prettiest, but it's always turns out tasting good. The egg pretty much cooked all the way through, and now that we got it folded, the extra heat will finish it off.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Now that it's done, we're going to sprinkle just a little extra cheese over the top, and then we're going to taste it.
Now y'all know that we always believe the food's supposed to be with friends. So come on, friends.
No, we're not talking anything. We're good.
Puppy says he wants
Go. Come on, get.
He said he wants to buy it.
Mmm. Very good. Wonderful. Very, very good.
All right.
That was incredible.
We're going to cook up a few more so everybody can enjoy, and we'll see you later.
Mm.